In this video, I'm going to show you how to track hours in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so tracking hours in Google Sheets is easy using time values and simple subtraction formula. Here's a step-by-step example. So create a table. So I've got an example table here. So I've got employee date, start time, end time, and hours worked. Now in E2, I want to go ahead and put this formula. So this formula is going to be equals D2 minus C2. So that's going to be 8 hours. And then from here, I want to click on that cell. I'm just going to delete these two. So I'm going to click on this cell and drag this down, and that should automatically fill in the hours worked for these two employees. Now, if the results look like a time such as 8 a.m. instead of 8, format it as a duration. So select the hours work column, and then from here, we're going to click on format, click onto number, and then click onto duration. And then that's going to change your formatting here. Now we can also calculate total hours. So I'm going to come to the bottom of here in E5 and put in this formula. So sum in brackets E2, E4. So that's going to go ahead and calculate all of the hours worked of these employees.